Ever wondered how computers can recognize faces, drive cars, or even write poetry? Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a concept from science fiction, it's part of our everyday lives. But what exactly is AI? In simple terms, AI is a branch of computer science focused on building machines that can think and learn like humans. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to movie recommendations on Netflix, AI is all around us. At its core, AI is about teaching machines to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes tasks like problem solving, understanding language, recognizing images, and making decisions. There are different types of AI. Narrow AI, for instance, focuses on one task. It's like your spam filter that only sorts emails or your GPS system that helps you navigate. These AI systems are very good at specific tasks but don't think beyond that. Then there's general AI, the kind that can perform any intellectual task that a human can. This type is still theoretical and isn't a reality yet, but it's what we see in sci-fi movies. Machine learning, ML, is another key component of AI. It's a way for computers to learn from data. So, instead of being explicitly programmed, a machine learns by identifying patterns in data. This is how apps learn your preferences and make recommendations. Deep learning is a more advanced part of ML that mimics the structure of the human brain, allowing computers to recognize complex patterns in data, like understanding speech or recognizing images. AI is transforming industries, from healthcare to finance, and it's changing the way we live, work, and interact with technology. Understanding the basics of AI helps us appreciate how these technologies impact our lives and prepares us for an AI-driven future. Curious about how AI works or what the future holds for this tech? Hit that subscribe button to dive deeper into the world of artificial intelligence.